Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's story is going to be based on how to cut a kaftan. It's an evening dress kaftan which is different from other kaftans. Using 3 yards of Lakra fabric. Here, the only measurement you need here is the length and the sleeve length. You don't need the bust, don't need the waist. It's a free kaftan. So now I'm going to fold this into 4. This is into 2 first, so I'm going to fold this into 4 now. So now this is into 4, you can see it. So I'm going to start with the measurement. Now I told you earlier that the measurement you need here is the length and the length of the sleeve. So by determining the length first, I'm using 56 for the length. This is my 56. So with the sewing allowance, I'm using 57.5, 1 inches and half, 1.5 inches. So you're going to place your table here, then a slant. You can see the slant. This is where to 36 inches here. But before then, you're going to place your table up here to determine the hip length. So by determining the hip length, which is 25 here, so but where I want this triangle to be will be 27. When you check it, it's like this. You can see it. So when you place your table here, you know what I'm talking about. This is 36. Then from this 36, from here downward, it will be another slant. You can see it. So I want to make a line now. Look at it like this. Then from here, a slant like this. You can see it. It's not a fitted, so there's no need of measuring the hip. So if I cut it out for you now, you see where I sketched. So I'm starting from here. To this place. Then from here, like this. So you can see it. So now I'm going to cut out the neck. So the deepness of the neck first, which is for the back, I'm using 3 for the back, and the wideness, I'm using 3.5. It's a lacquer material, so by the time I stitch it, it will be more wider. So like this. This is it. So I'm going to cut out the front neck now. So for the front neck, don't forget 3 is up here before, so the wideness will be 7, but it will be a one. It's going to be a V neck. This is for the front, while this is for the back. So this is for the back, this is the one, and this is for the front, a V neck. So if you want to determine the sleeve length, you're going to place your table here, then you measure your sleeve. No, we measured 36 before, so my sleeve length here is, from the neck it was 36, so my sleeve here is 30, so I'm going to deduct 6. So this is where my sleeve is going to be, so then I'll notch it for the sleeve length. And when I stitch from here, I'll stop here, then the roundness of the sleeve of the sleeve, I will take the measurement. It's just 4 inches, so 4 inches here, you notch it as well. Then from there you stitch the down part, then you stitch the down part, you turn it. So here is the finished work so far. You can see it. This is the front and this is the back. You can see the V-neck slit over here and the stitching. You can see how it is. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.